for higher juicy news. Mema ubibia akwaba latest hot and kwa era me de bremo. Anuti bomodi ase obe subscribe to channel na wala give video give us a thumbs up na fi share ma wo foforo so na wenye bi hwe na wo ensemo a ekoso ewo Ghana memo hanom. Afi yembura ye ensemo abeto ye pono so inti yes report ya ababetodwa mama inti
na ECOWAS nyina ayi ni say 2027 it drew rotation I do West Africa so one ne be African Union chairperson. Now, I mean, it will inure to the benefit of Ghana because African Union General Assembly on a chair, okay, obey engage international communities on behalf of the entire continent and stuff like that. Nenumuna, okujuta black Kwabena say Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng, play key role because when it comes to international engagement, he's one of the best Ghana producing. NPP for many years, kum. Most of Montias na Alan Kojo position in NDC government. Just wash it.
Na Montias is so many why.
Oh, so almost necessary Alan is
into almost found home bay.
Interested party said they. So necessary Alan 10 who in our ten also be Bawumia NPP no
guno. NPP go enye
NPP go enye
e go enye e go ana dey.
Kojo na sabara.
Na the CPP krengu.
Yeah. Emu ye ho but
me CPP. Me na nanom FA janto mu CPP. Me na Osei wo Ayo, Kofo, you can say, Nkoma Bresu, F.A. Jantwa. Ye party na gu.
Emui, Emre,
and Yamru, a gu, emui. Why, now, Miss Sister Paul, no crying, or Sabu and DC.
Oh, Ghibli House.
Be a Mrs. Sayadobe flag bearer. Let's see a walk of position. There's a more guno. And now, I'd rather Mrs. Stadier. But once John Mahamadu see a CPP inclined, until and this is for now absorb CPP for no more.
Yes.
Because said John Mahamadu so president.
But it looks like Mahamadu government to Wajaman for power. Also watch Bawumia 8. And what you is that
on phone.
You understand? Obaji Alan was Alan be play key role.
No, that is perfect because NPP for mu Alan. You disrespected Alan, and what do you expect? Alan should have taken over after Nana Akufo Addo.
Because you're not so okay.
I'm telling you today, that is the fact. And ka Alan take you over krana. Ka ebi Alan be lusu. But in a cool chop for 2028. Yes. Alan and ka John Mahamadu free hona ka the next stage will be Alan. A cool chop. Everybody knows what I'm talking about. And ka John Mahamadu ebe wini Alan. But enko 41 nisa. Alan bet me maintain 47 48 no. What they are saying, intinka Gabon nso sa. Na Alan etimia projected towards 2028. But you disrespected him. Na Akufo Addo so so Alan nye bibia.
Hey.
Listen, anya nyoma nyina na ebetimi aka.
Na me na Net2 TV also okay.
But I'm just saying say, when it comes to Alan I become emotional. Papa no man treat me ye.
MB before.
Papa ma gu nanim ase. Na mo pese oye dey. Se John Mahamadu kraka so me vice president onkoye. She. So betimi aboa gu NPP a Alan nye no gu NPP. Sa NPP we nko ade ogu na nya hwe. Ye bekyekere NPP no foforo.
Na kwajo o se Akufo Addo, the former president refused no sense Alan take you over.
Yes.
But say NPP omo dey about to one elected flag bearer.
There be about to one say.
So omo practice democracy.
Musa Dankwa Global Info Analytics was very clear.
Say
when he did those research in say internally the delegates no system ni be scheme ama Dr. Bawumia. But who pie ba bontina Alan ye popular. People needed Alan. That was a fact. Yeah.
I remember.
Even Kennedy Agyapong kre film they said Ken was popular outside, but the delegates would still choose Bawumia.
Yeah.
Alan was the face of NPP in 2024.
Tankomo ye the face now.
Me sin kobelu sukrana enye bebrisa.
Could you because say bia Alan open as something na okasa you.
And yes Alan me penasem. Alan should have salvaged the dent of Nana Akufo Addo's government.
What have you seen in Alan?
Because Alan unanse Kofo kana samwanti. The only person who rejected Kofo, Kofo had to look at Kofo. This is a selfless leader.
Yeah. Also a man ministerial appointment also or you rejected also maybe a
Alan is a selfless leader. Somebody who ni nyina bi. Enti sa Nkofo no untimi fasika nhunhuna no. Until I quite say me, baby, I'm a dream. And then I'll bet him the you get the point. I just want to serve. Into me corner so me for opposition me pound bay. I will not come and beg you. And that was how Alan, even after humiliating Alan, now she young boy CB, I know who did Alan.
I seen North. Okasana, that
young boys.
That scene for me was so embarrassing.
Disrespected Alan. Now if you say Alan, better. No, nya better. Onya nipa. Onya busia. Well, be my better. I don't want to even speak at the right time. I'll tell you about lawyer Boabe, Asamoah, and Kennedy Agyapong encounter. At the right time, with the market on, at the right time.
But Alan, no, almost a bitter because this is not the first time, according to a more free party.
Onko Kramani maybe, Obegu NPP way. Ni asese no foforo beboa MPP we makachi o say na Akufo Addo MPP we no say yan wipe him to say no e say no 25th December no be friend MPP current MPP nyina gu na nso ni fo
na o chechere foforo
na ya chechere foforo ya wo foforo MPP foforo bi because our crop of MPP for we and then na Akufo Addo no ya ton enye yi me say crop repeat
yeah
me say crop of MPP for we your tonwa enye
party ultimate election over 40%.
40%. Na ni wo check it so many 40% there.
No but come say Kofo nya 30 something.
Kofo time no at that time was 1996. Not that time stolen verdict. You are contesting with JJ.
Yeah. Very powerful.
And this person was able to get more seat for MPP for the first time.
Yeah, 36.
Why ya there because na easy only 10% crown why ya there.
Wow.
1992 no seats. Then 1996 he comes back and picks some seats. Then within 4 years in 2000 Timia picking more seats. You are joking with Kofo. How do you compare that one to Kofo? No Kofo do Gyamfi Anas say Kofo or Gyamfi Anas say Kofo. Even that one in Pokrano, Otimi maintain 47 ni 48 ni 49 jiri gogo ni sa. About be picky
41.7.
41. E bin see that. You get a point. And I'm one kasa mo me say Bawumia a victim of circumstances. I always say. What do I say? Unfortunately, there are a lot of psychological things wholly accepted within the MPP. Bawumia problem no. What do I say? And that is the kind of truth now. But I mean, I know say.
Oh yeah.
But psychologically, let me tell you, Bawumia psychologically, people see him as a fine gentleman, but when it comes to all the MPP,
outsider.
I can't dominate
this man has spent over 17 years in the party.
I didn't be what didn't know the campaign. Didn't you appear from Kojo Kyeremanteng say, I saw it here. I quite to say NDC now, so you are Santini. Now, call Mfa Enye Juma. Let's be Enye Juma. Enye Juma. To say, Anguna, Fanti, Esrem. That is the stronghold of NDC.
Okay, Prof. Mills was an Akan.
But a Fanti.
Yeah.
And that is why consciously they balance with the Fanti.
Prof. Jane.
Into a Kwaka, Atta Mills, and Miss Arthur. Prof. Jane. Consciously, so that at every point in time, there's that balance.
Okay.
No more the other position being swama, the Votarians, now balancing. None of him for so. O yongo ne kletos avokamu ne omunso ne mahama ya gamu nso omunso ajiji omudi.
Okay.
And that has been the strength. MPP strength here Eastern and Ashanti.
Yeah.
What do I say? And party bia one strength. In NDC, the strength is not Asantis. And that is why even when you go to the NDC, no clear when we say the Asantis are suffering.
Currently.
There's a seemingly sabotage among the Asantis, and that's a fact. Oh yeah.
These are undertones, you know.
These are undertones, but here they say to me.
Oh yeah, of course.
These are undertones. Why young can't you understand? And that is why the likes of Ebia Julius Debra, Eric Opokumu, look at the fine gentleman. But it may be difficult for them because the party foundation, you know, do North and Central into the and naturally so Asante when he. That's a fact.
Asante my
Asante when he. You understand? And now Gyamfi say Bono. Look at and say the AC Bono Asante. Eric Opoku ya Bono. You understand? It was smart.
Yeah.
And no one Asante. Timikwa ko ejiru gogu. Bebre. In your money bebre. Into omo dia no so etire beba so. But the point that I'm trying to say is say.
On Alan.
Alan is capable. In fact, Alan capacity no. So the capacity need to say a UN envoy, executive, somebody our year Juma wo UN. Alan, the capacity to say Bianca, UN Secretary General.
Wow.
Sana wedu. Alan level no a drew beyond Ghana.
Hey, but who rated Alan Pao?
Alan is rated. Nyam na mi rating no. Alan is rated beyond. Omunya nim say nyoma fen no. Even Kennedy Agyapong respects Alan.
Yeah.
When it comes to senior or respecting, because when him say you see, the truth is that most of the Alan supporters in NPP are for Ken.
How did that happen?
Yes.
How did he say?
And to Ken, he's fighting Alan's. That is also another angle. Ken is also fighting
Alan's battle.
Alan battle for him.
Interesting.
Yes.
So how did that happen? Okay, Alan Kwafo no, one person supported Bawumia.
Debbie. And so pa obia or supported Alan bia or MPP muno. Majority of them.
Hey, Kennedy
Agyapong.
Oh, really?
Hey, Alan Crawford, mum so Kennedy Agyapong MPP.
Me kwa kwa menya no.
Omunyina.
Me pe ni people akọ support Kennedy Agyapong no support Alan.
Me say dodo one. I know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Financiers ni bebre wo abon so no ye Alan. But ontimi njai enkwa ha ninti no. Why you say?
But what is so special about Alan? Baba Mahamadu Bawumia.
Alan is a gift.
I'm gonna play key role when it comes to EU.
John Mahama is so intelligent. He knows the potential of Alan. And on him saying pound to pound. And ya asem na ba. And kasebi. When him say Alan is a potential president, krana sankenya bibia.
Also a potential president.
Hey. Now to say when Alan, Alan and Nino Kwabena Agyapong. Alan say pa woni obeka so akodiska. Untimi fa corruption. The obeka nto no kana na Akufo Addo e de ene so. Nti omunyina yin ko.
Ebi nko say sideline.
There be nti te dey na obeka fa Alan ho. There's no way obeka chen say Alan we obi sika. What you say? And now because na yensu banche na oni nyoma NDC for so ye. And those things could have been nullified.
Okay.
Alan nyoma mienu miensa and wo betimi nullify no.
Etika omo nhede nya na be won enfanye campaign
as against the other people.
Because maybe we interview Sammy Gyamfi. I will inspire FM.
Yeah.
And I busa that was an intelligent question you asked. That time na MPP primacy. Jana busa say Alan Bawumia. Na for Sammy Gyamfi say house. Kojo asma busa media. Na wo hwe Alan unse o kase nanim kwa na ofere kakra wo. Today o si kan je say dey wo ka no. I mean the NDC people even respect him.
They do.
As compared to the other candidates no more.
They do. Entina empanyfo ka bibi say wani mo hare. Bawumia ni mo hare ewo MPP mu. The MPP guys do not respect Bawumia o. Oh, no, but you see, I know person make a channel.
Someone who has been a flag bearer of the party before.
I can tell you, say, Bawumia ye so humble, and he's so approachable. And oye nipa. Bawumia watima oye nipa. And once say somebody aye open na kratisem esa wom na. Bawumia ye the type on person be offend you baby. So there are a lot of people they feel that you take advantage. Ye lenience no.
Ghana for say say you. Who's a war mra?
Bawumia problem.
You dey we form.
And tell say Bawumia hear that support. And just say nyoma bi wo ntimi ntia mu bebre. Amena me advice Bawumia. Sammy Awuku, me ka tenso won trafi.
Kwajo.
Me ka
Sammy
Awuku.
She.
Tie. Sammy Awuku. Kofi Ofosun cancer. Me amenia. Ka tenso won tra backstage. Miracle. Obeko backstage and also obeka senior communicators of Bawumia. You understand? And other
to me.
And I don't know if you mention
category okay.
But certain people may so active. No. I'd rather say ebia ayumu because we are matured.
Yeah.
Nana komiamu. We are matured. They should front and then give orders to these people and know the kind of communication.
Okay.
This I have already told Nana Komia. Dr. Ayuma Kachre no. You understand? So, yes sir, no when you do. Can I upon him the abuano? Wakwa picking crophobia. When they speak, they're able to speak a certain language.
I just MP no. Man for respecting the pa. I'm also Kasaye.
Sammy Banono.
Oh, okay.
What is one Munia?
Oh, okay.
Focus FM.
Wow.
Kwabena dia me so ne nsakete aha. Obe lawyer. Na fudimu sa na oba ya me ne na na.
Ono so na fu ahye on.
Oh, na na fu se crowd wa yakese de na me bay.
Okay.
Enti Kwabena ahya sa na law sa wo hye law ase nyina. Me se sunsum FM nti me ba prekope. You understand? It's very good. And I know translating ma a family chapel.
Oh, okay.
How you translate a tweet into a communicator and kasa. Wow. Aha, nyamisro woni mu. Odi ase aha. Nti I'm not surprised.
You carry the asset ba.
Oh, when your asset. So what they hwe Kwabena. Look up the way Kwabena si kasa. Kwabena kasa obegyina ho atie no. What you say? Once the guy is speaking, once the can now no, we should the posture of speaking.
When it comes to finance,
when it comes to issues, or your national in nature, and now omatimia training can now move on to speaking nationally.
Because you quite in your bad crowd.
Because you quite in so I am matured first, no non crass some new womb.
Or to be benefits to you.
Miracle, the catcher and so see me will know yet. Education spokesperson, me na me na tintama, but he respects me. It me can you maybe be chair number who say or the year juma.
Okay,
you understand? And so look at the people communicating for Ken, and look at the people communicating for Bawumia. You realize that these people would easily want to attack and insult you. Shana no means me a buy. Oh my fiaso as nigga. Oh my bronye. So mune nkasamawa.
Okasa umano ne Bawumia catch will be see now down to how is it possible that Bawumia be for na fear nigga say go after Jantua. Do you think that will ever happen?
Anybody who speaks for me must represent me.
And you say me no mu engage you munim say mena owner
must represent me.
I know how I carry myself when because I know say me kaka be best owner work.
Exactly. To can one another Jantua TV so I represent me.
Exactly.
You understand? You don't necessarily whatever happens. Ewo Kyei University. Is the vice chancellor. Oni mo hwekra bobo ni bi. Ye ka Kyei University the vice chancellor the din. And so e be a student we need this ankwasasem. E be no oni mo hwe.
Of course.
Because say Kyei University
say amamu kwa sana president ye fa.
Sana tie. What you say? Until anybody that speaks for me directly or indirectly I need to tame the person because you are selling me.
Oh, okay. Okay, from that angle I understand.
Because you logical. Anybody me majuma me obi ye bibi wo baby no catch and say ni say. E the best me.
It's true, it's true.
I may not be there. So I need to make sure I do the right thing. What I'm saying is that perception is key.
Yeah, very, very important.
The people who are speaking for you,
they create a certain perception around you.
They create a certain perception. You're born an agent to a dear uncle for a perception.
Of course.
And you cannot joke with those kind of perception.
That's the perception.
Perception. What do you say? Every crime I'm in but I have consistently portrayed that.
Yeah, I'm Akufo.
That's the point. Perception is key. Anything like Kennedy Agyapong, no, I work in the perception. Once I woke up a year, I do chuma perception. STEM or calm or intelligence. Okay, perception.
Yeah,
you cannot joke with that.
Okay.
And then I know me raise issue sharaf no. Yeah. People do not understand. It was to warn you that look, people are watching you. Tell the people me who ne bano. Farida. No TikTok. No ye
so
no maybe.
TikTok say na obi ni.
Asamo mbaya. Se si ana wo good will
ni tia. Asamo constitution.
And I'm say se si ana wo good will ni tia. Se si ana yera Mahama wo good will ni tia. Na ne ho sha ase ye here.
I'm for beko kasa
for beko se now sorry now the uyesika to 3 nyima wo ba no ogire gana ho no wo de
amenipa bi MP ofa o mo se anu aye ne mowre awurade gana for na ne mowre ne ko
masa me se asamo maya
yen kai ko
ne beya ye Farida ne hwan no asem ba na Mahama ho ye hi na gana for kasa no no anso se na odo be ye ni a afi na ne ye ba betwetwe wo bo so obi be kra ba betwetwe na ama no sorry ana so je fo di o machi and I will buy way and an itrini no ye say. And he say, she the omu ye in sumunam. And Akufo Addo and no mutete a yachimu. And I say,
no, you me dear say, so me what's so convince me what is so special about Alan? I was say
Alan is a global asset.
global, not only Ghana.
No. Alan is a global asset. Somebody who has worked at the International Labour World Trade Organization.
Yeah.
That caliber. Unim nyansa antimi nkoho da. Akwa it is a quantum mechanics.
Yeah, me you.
Dene. Untimi nye.
Papa da me chiao, da bitiri mu hwehwe.
Quantum mechanics.
Eden pa.
Ba ko bi nso wo beat we different structures.
Eden so eden yo.
Ha, structures.
Eden se bo.
Me trailer ye.
Me na me man trailer.
Control fofo.
Me na mo forward am dey.
Dabi me dey. Tese me hu so. Some general as me am say me building technology. It's about economics ni accounting and me try so. They drew torsion, calculate the forces, new physics.
Quantum mechanics. Asem okay. Hey.
Otimi na me tie no kra no me lecturer no. Otimi calculate anu aka. No gina ho say kai. WhatsApp paper. Masa, cause
you say NPP for the new class mo yes.
No, Alan should. Hey, in fact I would thank John Mahama, president.
Oh, okay.
Say or recognize it because Alan is underutilized in Ghana.
Okay.
He has a lot. You want Kofo bi wo ho a. Me a president ahụ. Kofo bi te say Alan. Kofo Osei Chimensa, Abamba Ben. Astute people bi wo ho a. Me say that my yemra na yetuo mu ka na yekodina adwene wo ho. And they said they be impanyfo aduonu nan. I call them the 24 elders.
Say your peace council ne.
I don't need the peace council assembly. 24 elders are ohono. Sa wo bra ukodina ho a na wo tie wo mu. Mpacho mapem. Sa issue we madaroma menye den.
Munwene mami.
Munwene
rack the brain, you know.
Now to no wo tie wo mu. Wo be pie no aye refresh. Sa ankofo ne wo so mtimi twi anim. Enya ayi sa hwan council ne hwan no. 24 elders are. And no na nation na say the you ma dey qualified
president.
To was special a year on the ewo ho. It include maybe former presidents and other people are when it comes to law, when it comes to social issue, when it comes to employment, 24 elders.
Okay.
Who
know the New Patriotic Party perhaps better than I do. What is there to say? Look, I'm hearing the contestants. I'm hearing their campaign teams speak and so on. And sometimes I'm just sitting back and wondering, what is the message they want to send? I saw this video clip of Adwa Safo. And they all still want to call themselves honorable. I don't know why, you know. In fact, persons who are accused of crimes whom the state wants to prosecute, the state still refers to them as honorable and so on. I don't know what is happening with this title. But I saw this video clip of Honorable Adwa Safo. And after she had finished a long, winding rendition, I was asking myself, who is she campaigning for? Who is she campaigning for and who is she campaigning against? One, she makes the allegation that the previous administration or the previous government lost elections because it was engaged in what she called family and friends, whatever that means. So you're talking about the previous government and you're saying that, look, its focus was on family and friends. And Alhaji Mahamadu Bawumia was the vice president in that administration. Okay. He wasn't just an ordinary vice president. He was a very special vice president. In fact, both president and party heaped praises upon him, praises upon praises. I mean, if you heard the president speak about Alhaji Mahamadu Bawumia, you would think that he was talking about some magician. You understand? How he was so knowledgeable, how he knew economics so well, he was going to turn the economy around, how he was going to save the city, which had become hotter, and so on. You understand? So he wasn't an ordinary vice president. He was a very prominent vice president. Indeed, for most of the things that happened, he was the spokesperson. You understand? He was chairman of the economic management team and so on. So if they lost elections, and who lost the elections? They lost the elections with Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia as presidential candidate. And she's saying that it's their misdeeds which led them to lose elections. Then somehow she proclaims her support for Dr. Bawumia. There are people who did family and friends government, whose performance led to such a disastrous defeat and so on. So I'm totally confused. Then she tells us that she doesn't hate Kennedy Agyapong. How can she hate Kennedy Agyapong? Kennedy Agyapong is the father of her 2 children, one handsome boy and one beautiful girl. She says that. How that comes into this campaign, handsomeness and beautifulness and so on, how that comes into this campaign, I don't know. But she claims that Kennedy Agyapong gave her one handsome boy, and one beautiful girl. And that's important in this campaign messaging. Okay. But that's not the point. That Kennedy Agyapong, if she joins Kennedy Agyapong's campaign team and helps Kennedy Agyapong to win power, she will not get any prominent position. Because Kennedy Agyapong doesn't like doing family and friends. So, is she campaigning for Kennedy Agyapong? Obviously, yes. Because the people of Ghana, the people in the NPP, they don't want people who will come and do family and friends. You understand? There are many people in the NPP who were so upset, according to them, that they didn't get anything out of that government because they were not family and they were not friends. And there are people who are going to vote. And they are telling them that this Kennedy Agyapong man, he doesn't like family and friends at all. So are you campaigning against Kennedy Agyapong or you are campaigning for Kennedy Agyapong? In any case, what is our politics about? Personal interest? The positions we are going to get? Is that what the politics is about? And if that is what the politics is about, who's going to vote for NPP? When the people who claim that when their candidates win, they will get big positions, their focus is about themselves and what position they are going to get and so on. Who is going to be motivated to vote for the New Patriotic Party? I just wonder, you know. But look, there is something which I'm struggling to understand. Anytime anybody says something against Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, the party machinery responds very vigorously and quickly. Say something against Dr. Bawumia, General Secretary will issue a statement or will address a press conference. But you can say anything against Kwabena Agyapong, party is quiet. You can reduce Kennedy Agyapong to shreds, party will never come to his defense and so on. Why? Are they not all campaigning on the ticket of the same political party? So it's as if Kennedy Agyapong, Kwabena Agyapong, and Dóom and Kwabena Agyapong are coming from Mars. They don't belong. You can insult them, you can say anything about them, party will not defend them. I mean, that's a problem. This is a party which claims to be creating, you know, fair platform for everybody. And look at how it behaves. I don't believe what is happening. It's incredible. You know. And then every now and then, I mean, my friend Collins, you know, my friend Honorable Collins Adomako. I happened to have been having a discussion with him on the same platform. And he was talking about the fact that he was going to his constituency. He couldn't be in his constituency when Kennedy Agyapong arrives. And that he had made arrangements for his constituents to receive him and to treat him well and so on. That was what he was saying. And I said, but Collins, how can anybody believe that you'll be fair? Because you have declared for Bawumia. And you are the one, as MP, who is supposed to be receiving people who are coming to your constituency to campaign and so on. So how can you be fair when you have so publicly declared for Bawumia? That's a problem. And it's not just about this election. In all the previous elections, these things happen. People holding positions, members of parliament and so on, were declaring for candidates of their choice. It should not happen in any clear democracy where the field is open and fair. You understand? So he said, oh, no, he will not do anything to the disadvantage of Kennedy Agyapong. He's giving instructions that the people should treat him fair. But you've told the same people that Kennedy Agyapong is not qualified to be president and that they should vote for Bawumia. So how can they be fair, you know? So these are some of the problems. Now already the New Patriotic Party is hemorrhaging big time. I went to this Africa Summit which was organized by Mr. Alan Kyeremanteng. And that's told me something. I mean, I went there and I saw the key organizers, young, articulate people, lawyers, accountants, and so on, business executives and so on, very actively organizing around Mr. Alan Kyeremanteng. And all these people used to be part of the New Patriotic Party. And the party has lost them. The reality is that the party has lost them. Articulate young professionals. You understand? That's a minus. They are not there. Perhaps the party could recruit them others from somewhere and so on. But when? And these are brilliant people. I mean, look at somebody like lawyer Apia Dankwa. His brilliance and so on. You know, he's gone. He's been lost. The party is hemorrhaging. You know, and I can go on and mention a long list of brilliant young men and serious people who have left. You understand? So the party is hemorrhaging on that score. That's number one. Two, we are talking about people around Mr. Alan Kyeremanteng and the United Party Plus, and so that's what we are talking about. We're not talking about people like Dr. What is his name now? This no. US KNUST lecturer who's Akuba, who has left, who wants to form a party but has not formed a party. They are also there. They are not around Alan. They've also been lost. And Dr. Mwakuba was a strong voice in the campaign of the NPP. Very strong voice. Even if you lose him alone, you've lost something. But it's not just him alone. You've lost them. You understand? So that's a problem. Now, some of the campaign messages are also worried and frightening. I'm sure you have all heard some. I mean, you meet party delegates to campaign, and you are telling them that next time when we come to power, we will make sure that all the available jobs go to NPP people. And this is recorded, and it's on social media. You've lost the elections already. How many NPP people are there? There are so many people who are not NDC, who are not NPP, who do not belong to the parties. And they decide who win an election. And you are telling them that if they make the mistake of voting for you, their children will never get employment. That you will come up with some digital electronic something, which will make sure that if you are not NPP there, your name will not come there at all. Your name will not be in the database. It will appear. You will never get a job. Campaign messaging. Look, these are internal elections, but it has the effect also of a national campaign because the messages are out there. The media is covering it. They are recording videos and so on. So, who wants to become president of Ghana and wants to become president of Ghana because he will provide jobs only to NPP people? I can't understand. And sometimes it looks like some of these are politicians, their brains are not in their heads. Their brains may be somewhere else. Maybe God put their brains in their stomachs. I can't believe it. This is campaign message. And then they haven't stopped this stupidity of I am a northerner and therefore vote for me. I'm a central region man, so for people of central region will vote for me and so. They haven't stopped that. It has never worked in any election.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.